Now let us see one problem based on this time and distance from same problems on quadratic equations. So I have one question based on the time and distance. So let me explain this briefly, then similar problems you can do. So here the question is, a car covers a distance of 400 kilometers at a certain speed. Distance is 400 kilometers. So car is covering, and let me take the solution. So there is no change in the distance. That is the main here. Distance is fixed. Now from this, okay, let's take point A to point B. 400 kilometers. This is a 400 kilometers entire. Car covers a distance of 400 kilometers at a certain speed. So speed we don't know, but you need to find out the original speed. So which they asked that we can take let be x. So let the original speed. So let the original speed of the car be x kilometers. So let us take this is x kilometers per hour. So kilometers to hours. This is the original speed. Now time taken to cover 400 kilometers. So time we can find it for original speed. Then time. So we know that formula, speed is equals to distance by time. Then time is equals to distance by speed. So time taken to cover 400 kilometers. To cover 400 kilometers at original speed, because next case we will change it. So at original speed, that is x. So at original speed means, so we can take 400 kilometers, there is a distance by speed, there is a time. So 400 by x, this is hours, it's in hours. Okay, now new speed. So if you see one more statement here, had the speed been 12 kilometers per hour more, in case the speed is 12 kilometers per hour more, time taken for the journey is 1 hour 40 minutes less. Generally, if the speed is increased, within less time we will reach. So speed will increase means time will be reduced. Distance is same, distance are not changing. So then new speed. So if you see the new speed, previous is x kilometers per hour. Now 12 kilometers per hour more. X plus more 12 kilometers. So x plus 12 kilometers per hour. This is the new speed. Now at new speed we will see again time. Time, okay, overall time 1 hour 40 minutes less, but you can find the time now. So time taken, normal time formula apply for this. So time taken to cover same 400 kilometers but at new speed. At new speed will take. So new speed means the distance is same, distance not change, 400 by, but the speed is x plus 12. When the speed is more, generally the time will be less. So this is also in hours. But difference of this both is 1 hour 40 minutes. That's what they gave here. Time taken the journey would have been 1 hour 40 minutes less. So compared to the previous speed and new speed, the difference is 1 hour 40 minutes difference. So then we can write the statement. So these both if you subtract, that means if you notice, starting the original time is 400 by x, but account the change speed is 400 by x plus 12. So 400 by x is a bigger value, because here speed is less. Next case is speed is more. So difference of this both the times. So both the times if you do difference, the time is 1 hour 40 minutes. Then 400 by x. From this, the new speed time. So when the time at the new speed, if you subtract, that is 400 by x plus 12. The difference of this is 1 hour 40 minutes, right? So they give 1 hour 40 minutes. 1 hour 40 minutes means 1 hour is 60 minutes plus 40, 100. So 100 minutes it is. To convert into hours, divide by 60. Okay, you must know why I am taking. 1 hour 40 minutes. 1 hour is 60 minutes plus extra 40. 100 minutes, but you need to convert into hours because the time taken is hours only I took. So this is the main step. From this one, if you simplify, you'll get the value of x. Okay, so to make the quadratic equation is very important. From this, just take the 400 common to make the problem simple. So 400 if I take common, the remaining you write. That is 1 by x minus 1 by x plus 12 is equals to 100 by 60. So this you can cancel here. 0, 0, 10, 6. This is a 5, 3. So it's 5 by 3. That I wrote. 400, you can take this side. Then that is 1 by x minus 1 by x plus 12 is equals to 5 by 3. 400 is multiplying, this side divide by 400. From this 5 ones 5 is a 40, 0. So 30 into 8 is 1 by 240. Then LHS part, you can do the LCM. So this is x in 1 cross multiplication. So 1 into x plus 12. So x plus 12 minus x by both the denominators. X into x plus 12. This you know already how to simplify. That is equals to 1 by 240. Here is plus x minus x cancel. Then do the cross multiplication. If you do that, x into x plus 12 is equals to 240 into 12. This value. Now simplify a factorization. You can do this. Now from here just to go for the quadratic equation type. So that is x square plus 12x is equals to 240 into 12. That is 288. No, 24 12. So 288 0. 2880. Take inside. Then x square plus 12x minus 2880. This is the quadratic equation. Now this quadratic equation you have to split the middle term and find the value of x. You'll get one negative, one positive. Negative you can neglect and can take the positive value. So from this x square 2000 minus 2880 should make into two parts. So that I'm writing answer because on the previous chapter we learned that how to take this is 60 48. 60 into 48 is 2880. But we need my plus 12. So we should keep minus 48. We keep minus for 48. Then x square. This is plus 60x minus 48x minus 2880 is equals to 0. Take the common, then find the value of x. So x is the common, x plus 60 minus 48 common, x minus x plus 60 same, because minus into plus is minus. So one is x plus 60 into x minus 48 is equal to 0. By 0 product rule, from this we will take two values. X plus 60 is equal to 0, comma x minus 48 is equals to 0. From this x is equals to minus 60 and this is x is equals to 48. So x is equal to 48 is the answer. This is the neglected because negative. So generally you are taken x is the original speed. So speed should be positive. Therefore the original speed. So original speed, if you notice, that is 48 kilometers per hour. So if the problem is based on the time here, so we should take the time for the both the cases and is subtracted because time is difference is 1 hour 40 minutes less. So I took the main condition. So in this main problem, taking the steps and this step, making statement from the steps. So let us see. Now not only this, let us see a few more problems on distance and speed also. So not only this time based, it is based on that some other problems also. Let us see now.